Today we will know about basic commands of chapter number 2. Students, here you can see there are some basic commands. First I will tell you its uses or purposes. After that in video you will see how these commands work in programming. So we will start from delete command. Delete command is used to delete program lines और लाइन रेंजेस ऑफ लोडेड प्रोग्राम. मतलब अगर आपने किसी भी लाइन को डिलीट करना है GW बेसिक में तो आप डिलीट की कमांड इस्तेमाल करेंगे. विद द लाइन नंबर एंड द स्टेटमेंट वी कैन डिलीट द लाइन. सेकेंड इज द एडिट कमांड. दिस कमांड इज यूज्ड टू मॉडिफाई योर प्रोग्राम लाइन. इफ यू हैव डन एनी मिस्टेक इन द लाइन then you can correct it by using edit command. Then you will give the command edit and write the line number. Next is files command is used to display the file names and directories on the screen. Kill command is used to remove any file from the disk or delete any file from the disk. List command is used to display a loaded program partially or completely on the screen. Load command is used to load a file from disk to memory. Make directory command is used to create a subdirectory. मतलब आपके पास एक डायरेक्टरी बनी हुई है, उसके अंदर अगर आपने छोटी डायरेक्टरीज बनानी है तो उस सूरत में आप मेक डायरेक्टरी कमांड इस्तेमाल करेंगे. Name command is used to rename your file. Renum command, this command is used to renumber the program lines. जो आपने प्रोग्राम्स में लाइंस लिखी हैं उनको रीनंबर करना. rm remove directory. Remove directory, this command is used to remove the directory from your disk. Run command is used to execute the program on your screen. Save command, save your file. प्रोग्राम जब आपने लिख लिया है तो उसको सेव करना है, तो उसको सेव करने के लिए आप सेव कमांड की ऑप्शन इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आप सेव लिखते हैं और उसके साथ फाइल नेम डालते हैं तो आपकी प्रोग्राम फाइल जो है वो सेव हो जाती है. नेक्स्ट इज द सिस्टम कमांड. दिस कमांड इज यूज्ड टू एग्जिट फ्रॉम GW बेसिक. यानी कि GW बेसिक से अगर आपने एग्जिट होना है तो उसके लिए आप सिस्टम की कमांड इस्तेमाल करेंगे. LP प्रिंट. LP print command is used to print data at the printer. Count command. Counting continue command. This command is used to continue program execution after a break. Basic statements. Now students, you will see in the video you can see how these commands will do work. मतलब आप प्रोग्राम में ये देखेंगे कि किस तरह से प्रोग्रामिंग हो रही है और इन कमांड्स को किस तरह से इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आपके लिए वीडियो प्रिपेयर है. स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज योर बेसिक लैंग्वेज. नाउ वी विल गिव सम बेसिक कमांड्स हियर एंड यू विल सी हाउ दिस बेसिक कमांड्स विल डू वर्क ड्यूरिंग प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज. First of all, here we will give the command CLS for clear the screen, and then we have to press the enter key. You can see that the screen is clear now. Now we will give the auto command. And press the enter key. You will see that here line numbers are coming. Line numbers are coming and generating automatically. If you want, these line numbers are used for writing program statements. And if you want to break these line numbers, you will give the command Control C or Control Break. Now you can see that no any line number is coming. So now you can also clear the screen again and press the enter key. Here we will write a small program. Now you can see here, first one statement is, first we will give the auto command for automatically lines numbers generating. This is the first line number, and we are giving the first statement of the program. Let x is equal to 10. यहाँ हमारे पास एक वेरिएबल है x जिसको हमने वैल्यू असाइन कर दी है 10. नेक्स्ट we have second variable y and we have given the value 20 and press the enter key. Now here you will give the value print, command print, assign the variable sum equal sign, inverted commas, semicolon, and here we will write the statement x plus y. Here the answer will come into the sum. Press the enter key. Now you can end the program. Here students, you can see that now we have written the program here. Now you will stop the line numbers which are generating automatically. So how you stop your line numbers? So for this you will press Ctrl C. Here is the OK. Answer is OK, so it means that your line numbers are stopped. Now here you will use the command save for saving your file. So I am writing here save, inverted commas में you will write your file name, like as I have given the file name sum, or you can write the file name abc.bas. bas is the bas is extension of basic file. So this is your file name abc.bas. That is the file name of basic language. Now we have to press the enter key. When you have the message OK, then it means your command is OK and that is to be run. Next is we have to load the file which you have to save. Your file is saved in the hard disk. Now you will load it into the main memory. So this is the reason we will give the command load. And give the file name. And press the enter key. Your file is loaded into the main memory. Now the file is ready for running. So you can see boys that first of all you will write the program, then after that you will save your program, after that you will load your program in the main memory, then you can run your program. So now you will give the command run here and press the enter key. You can see that your program is running here. Execute now. And we have the answer, sum is equal to 30. We have the answer. Okay boys, now your program is loaded into the main memory. Now you can delete any line number, so you can use the delete command. So write here delete and now give the line number. So I am giving the line number 20 and press the enter key. You will have the message OK. You will have the message OK. It means कि प्रोग्राम में से लाइन नंबर 20 डिलीट हो गई होगी फ्रॉम द मेन मेमोरी. मेन मेमोरी में ये लाइन नंबर 20 डिलीट हो गई होगी. अच्छा, अब आपने ये करना है कि अब आपने एडिट करनी है. अगर आपने किसी लाइन को एडिट करना है तो एडिट कमांड का क्या इस्तेमाल है, तो उसके लिए आपने यहाँ पर एडिट लिखना है एंड देन यू विल गिव द लाइन नंबर एंड द लाइन नंबर इज 10. Press the enter key You can see that the line number 10 is coming here. Line number 10 is coming here, so you can change and you can do the changing in it. You can edit it. So I am changing the value of the x and I am giving the value 8, and now press the enter key. So your this is happening now. Okay, what is that you have done that how you do save your command, how you load your how you save your file, how you load your file, and how you use the delete command, how you use edit command. Now you will write here files. You can see files command. When you write here files and press the enter key, you can see here that all the directories are coming on the screen and all the files are in these directories. And now you can kill any file. If you want to kill any file mean you want to delete or remove any file from the file directory. So you will write here the command kill and give the file name, like as we have the file ABC and we have to kill it. So we are killing it. .bas inverted commas and then press the enter key. OK. When you have received the message OK, it means that your file is to be killed, your file is to be removed from the file or directory. So you can check it. You can check it that now ऊपर देखें आप, ऊपर आपको नजर आएगा कि abc.bas जो है ये यहाँ पर abc.bas जो है वो लिखी हुई थी, नजर आ रही थी। ये फाइल जो थी वो फाइल्स में डायरेक्टरी में पड़ी हुई थी, लेकिन जैसे ही हमने किल किया उसे, इस फाइल को यहाँ पर हमने किल किया abc.bas को, जैसे ही किल करने के बाद दोबारा फाइल्स की कमांड दी है तो आप यहाँ देखें कि यहाँ पर abc.bas के नाम से कोई भी फाइल नजर आपको नहीं आएगी। इट मीन्स ये किल हो चुकी है। अच्छा जी बॉयज, अब आप यहाँ पे अगर cls कमांड देंगे तो योर स्क्रीन अगेन क्लियर। So boys, these are some basic commands which I have told you. It's the practical of your this one chapter number 2. So you will try more and more basic commands like as, जैसे मैंने आपको करके दिखाई है इसी तरह से आप basic commands को try करें अपनी GW Basic में, then you can clear more and more concepts and you try it. Thank you.